India has always been proud of its diverse culture that goes back several millennia. It is one aspect that has always been one of the easiest and almost natural identifications we have with our land. What is interesting to note is that this vibrant and multifaceted culture of ours has somehow managed to survive through time, natural disasters that have threatened the fabric of humanity, centuries of foreign rule and oppression, and even a partition. But how have we managed to weave together our values, our culture, and our differences within the fabric we proudly call Bharat? What has been the common thread? Broadly put, it has been education. Carrying forward the ancient principles of our Gurukuls, Indian education, be it artistic, economic, technical, ethical, or moral, has been rooted in recognizing our heritage and carrying it forward. The idea that a country and all its associated factors like governance, integrity, security, and most importantly, prosperity are defined by open and free education is not new. In fact, with the establishment of Shanti Niketan and subsequently Vishwa Bharati University, the great Rabindranath Tagore ji had said, "Now the door has opened. None shall be turned away from the vast sea of humanity that is India." These words, these very ideals are what have always defined a united India. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, too, in his recent address at Vishwa Bharati's centenary celebrations, invoked the role of India's centers of excellence, its universities, in building the nation. PM Modi said, "These educational institutions gave a new energy, a new direction, a new height to the ideological movement for Indian independence." Another aspect is the deep-seated love for our country. Only when a population feels proud of its country, understands its diversity, and believes in its progress can it truly love its idea. The vision of India's freedom fighters, its intellectuals, and its philosophers has always been to propagate an India that looks to the future but does not forsake its past, a Bharat that scripts its own future. Self-reliance, the idea which is set to redefine India's growth trajectory and global image, is also centered within our educational system. A mindset that inculcates independence, cultivates cultural pride, and propagates natural preservation is what will create an Atmanirbhar Bharat. And that is what India should be when it celebrates 75 years of its independence.